Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download your boarding pass on Wizz Air. First, after checking in for your flight, Wizz Air will send your boarding pass to the email linked to your account. Open the email, download the PDF file, and either save it to your phone or print it out for use at the airport. You can also get your boarding pass directly from the Wizz Air website. Log in to your account, click Check-in and Bookings in the top right corner, and find your upcoming trip. Click More Options, then select Boarding Pass to download it. Make sure you've already checked in before doing this. You can keep it saved on your phone or just log into the website when you're at the airport and show it there. And that's it. That's how to download your boarding pass on Wizz Air. Thanks for watching!